previously on Kung Fu Maintenance.
Some vertical blinds that, whew, it's pretty obvious. It's definitely sagging on the left side. This one, I only have so much room for the wand. Let's see how close that is. A little something to work out there. I've got a 1/2 inch, so. Gotta tighten up that hinge on that right side. That should fix that squeaking door up. Okay, for this door that was bugging, let's see if we can tighten these hinges up. It's the whole piece of wood. Show you over here. Door jamb. So I should be able to just drive a few screws through there. You would think these screws would already be in the studs. Doesn't mean they are. Okay, time to get after this door here. Rubbing, and notice what it is this wood right here. So I'm going to try to drive some longer screws. Hopefully catch some wood to bite on going through there. Good chance that this has some really short screws. Here. So what I've got is some much longer screws. Here. Drive that. Not grabbing very good. In there. Let's see if I got regular. We'll get this a little better. Beautiful. Okay, now let's see how we. Oh yeah, no more movement whatsoever. So I'll drive, one more screw in there.
Or 4 more, whatever it takes.
So I'll show you here. Now it's not hanging up at all. And if I pull up and down on the door, no more movement. So I'll just drive another screw through there. That'll make that better. Just be spinning empty. Nice. Do one more through there. Now we're in there. Super strong. All fixed up. Done deal. This I can probably tap that little hinge. Push pin back in as well. No more rubbing on the door. Good to go.
For a much more in-depth article and more information on vertical blinds, just Google Ultimate Vertical Blinds Repair List. And then scroll down to see the KFM blog Skyscraper Repair Link List post. It's a much more informative article on vertical blinds. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.